What's up guys, it's Lara and Zeki here, and in this video we're going to be playing the Escape the Fortnite obby. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Zeki is going to join me on his phone, and yeah, this video might be a bit time-lapse, a bit fast, but it's not going to be like time-lapse, it's just going to be a bit faster so we can get through it a bit faster.
Yeah, because it might skip some of the parts of the video because this is like our first time doing our videos, so it might like skip some parts if we try and edit it.
But if we try and skip some parts, but it's fine. So I'll wait for Zeki to join.
It's gonna take a while because like I still need to get onto like your profile and stuff.
Yeah. It's New Year's Eve right now. So
yeah, we need to make these videos quick so we don't miss out on
the fireworks and the countdown. Actually, the fireworks is in like 2 or 3 hours.
Oh yeah,
and the countdown. But
actually, we need to do this quick because we need to spend time with our family.
Yeah, so me and him are family friends, so we don't see each other a lot. So we will see you sometime in 2019, like I've said in his videos, in the video I was in with him.
Just like again, we might not finish the whole obby like we did, like
because it's too much. Like
we tried to do the Grinch obby,
and we had to delete the video because it was too hard. And we just
and like we tried to do a time lapse, but it skipped a whole level.
So that's why I'm just gonna. We'll just do a little time lapse, but you can still hear our voice. It's not like squeaky.
We're sorry. We're like really sorry if like it just like takes away the video.
But it's okay. I won't try to skip. It only happens if I skip the video. But I'll try not to skip much. If I skip once, it won't do it. But...
Oh, I know this trick.
Oh my god, this is done. So guys, yeah, Fortnite was a big thing in 2018, and now it's coming to 2019.
Yeah, I actually know what's gonna happen in Fortnite Season 8. So guys, this is a little bit of a spoiler alert if you play Fortnite, because there's apparently some dragon eggs in a secret area in Fortnite.
Yeah, I found a cool secret area in Fortnite that is being leaked in Fortnite, and you can actually get to now. And if you want to see that video,
we don't like put links in description or stuff. We only do it if we know how to do it, because this is
I know how to do the leaks. So we're gonna I comment down below if you want us to show you that leak, because I know the leak. I know the leak. I'll basically be like teaching Zeki how to do it, and you guys, yeah, so it's like a weird glitch thing.
Well, yeah, it's a big glitch.
Yeah,
like, it takes a lot of doing to do.
No, it doesn't.
Well, like sometimes.
No, but this is a different glitch. Like, what happens is
I want to show you guys my glitch. You need like a spiky stadium.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the glitch.
Yeah. If there's like this secret area, it has like some dragon eggs in it.
Yeah, so what you have to do, we'll tell you guys just now, and then we'll make a video about it if we get enough likes. So what you guys have to do, you have to get the spiky stadium, you have to spawn it right in Polar Peak. It has to be in Polar Peak. Then
Tycoon. Guys, we just got ripped off. It's not an obby, it's a tycoon.
At the end.
Yeah, when you get to the end, it's not even a Fortnite obby.
That's alright. We'll play another game, okay? After I finish this.
Okay.
So
if you look closely inside of the dragon, inside of the eggs, you can see like a little spiral, which is the dragon. So people are guessing that you can either actually ride a dragon in Fortnite in 2019 Season 8.
Yeah, so guys, what like he's basically saying is
we might be able to ride dragons in
Like-
season 8,
like
or
in-
they might be a threat and destroy our places.
yeah. Or also guys, so once you spawn it in Polar Peak, you have there's like this little ice area and you have to like go up to it, like right up to the wall. Then you have to respawn. Then it will glitch you in there and you can look around and it's like this place.
Except when it has like these
Rip off!
Yeah, it's a rip-off. I can't even like touch my screen. It's way too small. I'm playing on my phone, so like I can't really do it.
I can't even move in this. This is a
That's because you haven't like reset your computer. Yeah. If you see the stairs in the secret room, don't go up the stairs
Yeah,
because it'll kick you out.
yeah, it'll kick you out. So guys, this is it's basically a leak. We're leaking this.
If we can.
Yeah. It takes when you respawn. I did it the first time because my friend told me.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you did it. I only saw it on YouTube.
Oh, I did it, and it worked the first time. It glitched me in there, and it takes like and I accidentally respawned because I thought it wasn't the room, but it was, and I saw around it and everything.
Well, yeah.
But yeah, and when I was in there, you'd see all the crates and also guys, when it takes a couple of times to do it because you have to get right up to the wall. Sometimes it only works once, but it does work multiple times. It just sometimes takes a bit of time, but if you do it correct, it will work like kind of straight away.
I saw on YouTube. Some people say that you can break the dragon eggs. Well, at least we think it's a dragon egg. You can. Some people say that you can break the dragon eggs just by hitting it with your pickaxe for a full minute. Don't listen to them. That's a rip-off. Like, it's not even
It's fake.
real. It's fake.
Join me.
You can't break it.
And guys, this only works in playground mode.
Yeah, it'll only work in playground mode because if you try and do it in the real game, it won't work.
Yeah,
it will
won't
just
work.
like get stuck.
Yeah, and that place that we're staying is covered up with ice, like you know how
Yeah, like if
it's full of ice, so it's not like a place that's open yet.
and once you go in there, don't go up the stairs. Or if you see this little like archway,
It will kick you out.
Yeah, if you go through that archway, it'll kick you out and you cannot come back unless you do what you just did.
Yeah, so I don't know if this glitch will be around for long. Everyone's leaking it.
Really,
And
Most
Fortnite might delete it if everyone keeps leaking it. It might get patched soon, so we have to like
yeah, like Fortnite needs to actually
patch it.
yeah,
Because
like
everyone's leaking, it's leaking,
I know,
it's not
I
fun.
saw like 10 videos of it.
Yeah, so
Because like how else would people know? Like one person discovered the glitch just by an accident, I guess.
yeah, so guys, we just we need to like you need to do it fast watching videos because we're thinking that Fortnite might patch it really soon because everyone's leaking it, and yeah.
Yeah, like there's like I saw so many people leak it, so get it quick.
Yeah, so we
like-
have to So yeah, if we get at least 2 likes on this video,
We'll try and do the glitch.
yeah.
But like I hope Fortnite hasn't patched it up because we haven't really seen the glitch.
Because
for a while now.
I did it a few days ago. I did it about like 2 days ago, so it's possible that it has been patched. But I'm not
Wait, I didn't see you like on my request.
friends.
I know I didn't see you on. Sorry guys, I can't really join her.
So I'm on his phone right now and I'm sorting it out. So
Because I couldn't find her profile. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm gonna join her game like right about now.
There you
Like
go.
you'll see my name come up on the server list, I guess.
Yeah, so guys, we will do that video once again if we get at least 2 likes on this video.
Well, maybe more. Like we're not very famous.
Yeah, so we have to get at least 2 likes. 2 likes is enough for
Yeah, 2 likes is enough.
right now.
Like, cause
And in future videos, we'll put it up higher, but we just have to keep it low for now until we build up.
we won't be doing videos together all the time. Like, this is our
Because this
This
is
is
our
our
second.
third-
No,
this-
second.
this is our second video today.
We have been testing it around. We were making a third video of the Winch Obby. I think we said it earlier in the video. But
Yeah, I did. I said that like it wasn't working. Like we tried to do a time lapse, but then it just skipped that whole step.
And we couldn't. It was just not.
Like we just like stopped the video and we
Yeah.
didn't upload it. 'Cause,
Yeah.
Like it would have been just like terrible because I was. the
And
only
it was a
one-
hard obby. I couldn't even get through it, and it was just me being stuck. So
I know,
yeah.
like she kept. There was like these security cameras. She kept on going under the security.
No,
cameras.
it was an
and-
accident.
No, you can't go under the security
I
cameras.
know.
Because if you go under the security cameras, you die.
Yeah. So, yeah, guys, we want to try and build up our channel. So it's right now, if you're not known, it is New Year's Eve. We'll probably,
Well, yeah,
yeah, we'll
only-
upload it today. We're gonna upload it today. But it's New Year's Eve right now, and
I
yeah.
just died twice in a row.
Yeah, he's in our game. So, it's 2018 right now, and guys, we will see you in 2019 sometime, but because we're only family friends,
We're not like
brother and
brothers or sisters.
yeah.
We won't be filming much, and like also
But-
because of school and stuff.
But also, we can both film like solo, like one time I can film on my channel and one time you can film on his channel by
Yeah, like
himself.
we'll do like separate sometimes, like if
Yeah,
we have time.
most of the time because we don't see each other much because they live far away from us. But we will upload videos sometime in 2019. This year we saw each other a lot, but that was just a
Why?
coincidence.
This is why we keep dying because it's New Year's Eve right now, and we're like rushing because we need to see the ball drop.
Yeah, we needed to see, like, it's 2018. Next video we
I'm-
upload, guys.
I know, like, because if you haven't heard, in Roblox, there's this really weird thing that's been going around. Not like the horror things, like, horror,
Yeah.
but like, there's a thing that, like, you need to get the Roblox prizes quick, because in 2019, you won't be able to get the prizes. There's, like, years of collectible, prizes to Roblox. Like, one, like, this, like, 2017 one, like, you can only get the 2017 and the 2018 plaza right now.
Because in 2019 it's gonna be.
In 2019, the 2017 was off sale.
And also, guys, one more thing. I'm probably not gonna be uploading any day in January because I'm going on a holiday to
Wait.
Queensland. Sorry.
I was gonna go to Queensland too, but we're still trying to find the ticket.
Where are you gonna go? Fun transfer?
Should we even be talking about this on?
Yeah.
Wait, we both might be going on holidays. Like, he
I am.
will.
So I'm
Like,
going in
maybe
January. In January I am going to Queensland. So yeah, so I probably won't upload any day in January, but we will meet up sometime.
You can like do vlogs and like
Oh,
just
yeah.
try and edit some videos.
Guys, I might, two more likes on this video. Or actually,
Like,
I'm gonna do some
wait.
vlogs.
I know every YouTuber does this at the end
Guys,
of the
wait, guys, we need to wrap it up now because it's about to end.
Wait, the ball's about to drop, guys, so we need to like hurry.
So guys, thank you guys for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and click the bell button.
And it's about to end the video because we only got a limit. So sorry, guys.
Yeah,
But we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, we got a 15-minute limit.
Yeah, bye, guys.
Happy New Year, everyone.
We'll see you in 2019.